Hello, viewers. Welcome to the fifth episode of Truth Manifested. Bol Bachchan Se Satya Vachan in collaboration with Jagruk Youth Society and Owl Media. Jagruk Youth Society is a youth organization working for a noble cause that is providing quality education to the marginalized, untouched sections of the society. Owl Media is a sub branch of Zagis Group, which aims to provide blogs, memes, podcasts, and many other things related to entertainment. So, we all duly know the importance of nature and environment, the oxygen we inhale, the water we drink, the food we consume is all through nature. But I guess we have forgotten its importance, and yes, stats shows the same. The pollution is gradually increasing, and we are cutting down trees. So, to put more light on environment, that how life and nature change from pre to post pandemic, we have a very insightful guest with us, Mr. Shiv Karan Suthar. Sir, we welcome you here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
A very good
So,
evening, everyone.
Mr. Shiv Karan Ishwar Lal Suthar is a science student who is inclined towards nature, started his journey with Junior Red Cross and thus involving into various cleanups, NGOs, and now into team of Mission Green Mumbai, India for Oceans, Hum Hai Junoon, and various others. He has represented Maharashtra at national level in Delhi and had chance to meet Mr. Ramnath Kovind, the Honorable President of India, and other ministries. So, my name is Mohammad Ayan, along with Gauri Kaushik, and we both are here as host for the evening in the capacity of President and Vice President of Jagruk Youth Society, respectively. So, sir, with your due permission, should we start?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Firstly, thank you to the Owl Media, then JYS and Truth Manifested for calling me and just giving me a chance to represent it. And I'm really grateful for the thing. And you're doing a great fab work. So congratulations and kudos to you all. So we're ready to go.
We are very grateful, sir, to have you. So, sir, to begin with, we have a question that there had been a rapid increase of pollution in the environment before COVID-19 pandemic. Even it was reported that there is a hole in the ozone layer. So, do you see any positive changes or betterment in the environment which COVID brought to the nature during this new normal?
Firstly, talking about COVID pandemic, like it's a great pandemic and it have actually disturbed the worldwide, and we have actually lost many lives, which are really important. But the thing is, right now we all are negative. Like we have this negative vibes, like COVID is not going, COVID is not going. But we actually don't see the positive impacts of it. So let's just talk about before and after wala thing. Okay. So we all know, for your fact, economy and environment are inversely proportional. Okay, if economy is increasing, the environment and its sustainability actually decreases. So let's just talk about. I would be talking about few basic topics. Firstly, let's talk about nitrogen oxide. Sorry, nitrogen dioxide (NO2). हमने सबने सुना है it is basically a toxic gas जो emit होता है vehicles, engine of cars, buses, factories, etc. से. Okay, and we don't know how harmful this is. Okay, according to WHO, that is World Health Organization, अगर gas जो इसका concentration है it is greater than 200 microgram per cubic meter. So basically, this can cause you serious issues. Okay, this can actually cause inflammation in the breathing pipe, and just because of this, it can actually lead you to problems like asthma we call it. So this is before we had everything running on, but just due to the lockdown and pandemic COVID, the plea of the traffic, the buses, everything was stopped. Okay, and it has basically had a great impact worldwide. Okay, according to this, basically it just drastically reduced. Okay, China, then Italy, then France and India. If you talk about this, recently we had various videos surfaced, like we could see Himalayas from Punjab region. That is just 146 kilometers. We could clearly see it, and before that we couldn't see it. It was around after 20 or 25 years we could see that. That was because of this pandemic. just because everything was stopped, transportation sector was stopped, vehicles and factories were stopped. This basically led to a reduction into it, and this have a great impact. We all were talking about like there are deaths due to COVID, due to COVID, but let's talk about China. Okay, it's the greater country with population. Within a month, okay, 77,000 lives were saved. The cause was basically this air pollution. 77,000 lives were saved within a month just because of this lockdown. So can you imagine the number? It's really huge, okay. And according to the facts, around 4 million people every year die just because of this air pollution, NO2 gases. So let's talk about NO2 ka bhai is like PM 2.5. Okay. PM 2.5 is basically so thin, इतना thin है कि हमें दिखेगा भी नहीं. And basically PM 2.5 is basically air pollution. और वो इतना पतला, इतना thin है कि वो basically हमारे lungs से जो blood stream होता है उसके अंदर जा सकता है. It is most harmful type of air pollution. Okay. ये basically respiratory problems ही नहीं देता, but because of this it can actually cause you to have a heart attack and even many other problems. So just because of this COVID, okay, PM 2.5 का रेशियो भी बहुत कम हो चुका है. पहले हम लोग देखते थे दिल्ली में कुछ नहीं दिखता था. इंडिया गेट मॉर्निंग अगर 5-6 o'clock आप वॉक करने जाओगे तो सिर्फ आपको फॉग ही दिखेगा. वो बेसिकली फॉग नहीं है, इट इज ऑल पोल्यूशन. ओके, एंड अभी आप क्लियरली पिक्चर देख सकते हो. इफ यू गो थ्रू द प्रेजेंटेशन, आई हैव that picture, you can clearly see that तो वो इतना impact हुआ है within a month. So this is not a like small impact. So basically just because of this COVID, let's not take it in a negative way. Okay, positivity impact basically environment के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा हुआ है, and that was basically needed. Let's talk about the ozone layer जिसके अंदर इतना बड़ा hole था. वो basically अभी repair हुआ है. It has disappeared now just because of this lockdown. Rare animals का बात करूँ मैं. Let's talk about aquatic animals. Let's talk about wildlife. जिस animals and tortoises को हम beaches वगैरह पे नहीं दिखते थे, we have seen a lot of them just because of this lockdown. So it had a great positive impact, you know.
Yes, sir.
And
So
also, if we're talking about this, let's just not talk about it. अगर आपको पता रहेगा, do you all know like 50 to 80% जो हमारा ऑक्सीजन है वो रिवर्स और ओशन से ही आता है. So you know right now we had shortage of oxygen. अब भी just because of this COVID pandemic हमें पता चला ऑक्सीजन का नीड क्या है. People were actually taking lakhs of money and oxygen cylinders के लिए जा रहे थे, but उनको cylinders नहीं मिलते थे. So this is the importance right away, you know. जब ऑक्सीजन का लेवल एकदम कम हो गया, we actually needed oxygen, तब हमें याद आया कि यार ऑक्सीजन इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट जब हम ट्रीज कट करते, डिफॉरेस्टेशन करते हैं, तो बोलते हैं यार एक पेड़ से क्या ही होने वाला है यार, 2 पेड़ और लगा लेंगे, 2 झाड़ और लगा लेंगे. लगाता कोई नहीं है. दिस इज द मेंटालिटी राइट अवे. सो दिस इज रियली रॉन्ग. वी नीड टू एक्चुअली चेंज इट.
okay, yes, it was very amazing to know the facts and stats. So I have a follow up to this question. So as we saw that the air quality index in metropolitan cities gradually decreased due to COVID pandemic, but now when the wave one ended, it gradually again increased. So do you see any suggestion or advice to the youth, to the Indians or to the citizens, how we can reduce this air quality index, or how can we normalize? Yeah.
Well, the thing is, it's just not about Indians. It's all worldwide. ठीक है.
Yeah.
हमारा मेंटेलिटी ये है कि पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से ट्रैवल करना नहीं है. हमारा खुद का गाड़ी है. वी आर द बॉस. हमें गाड़ी लेके जाना है. वी टेक स्कूटी. वी डोंट केयर अबाउट कि उसकी वजह से 2.5 या फिर मोनोऑक्साइड कितना रिलीज हो रहा है. वी एक्चुअली डोंट गिव अ डैम अबाउट इट. वी रियली डोंट टॉक अबाउट इट. बट द थिंग इज, इसका नॉर्मलाइज होने का सवाल ही नहीं आता. बिकॉज पहली बात ये आता है कि वी नीड टू चेंज द मेंटेलिटी. पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट बसेस वगैरह है. राइट नाउ बसेस आर फुल. ओके, जस्ट बिकॉज प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स वगैरह को अलाउड नहीं है. जब यही अलाउंस हो जाएगा, जब प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स वगैरह मूव होने चलो जाएंगे, बसेस वुड बी लाइंग डाउन. Let's talk about higher class. Okay, उनको कहीं पे भी जाना है, they won't walk. They would actually take their car. अगर उनको like if they even want to go to buy vegetables, they would be taking a scooty. They would be taking a bike. But rather than this, we can actually take a bicycle. And right now, just because of this COVID pandemic, bikes, cars वगैरह available नहीं थे. लोगों को exercise करना था. What they did is there was a huge sale into bicycle. लोगों ने cycling start कर दिया. So that is a better way. It's like आपको health wise भी काफी benefits हो रहा है. Secondly, वो कोई carbon monoxide या फिर carbon emit नहीं कर रहा. So that is a way. And secondly, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एवरी ईयर हमें ऐसा 1 वीक या फिर 2 वीक्स का लॉकडाउन एक्चुअली में रखना चाहिए, मे बी 6 मंथ्स के बाद 1 वीक का रखें. सो दिस कैन एक्चुअली कॉज अ ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट, यू नो, काफी पॉजिटिव चेंजेस लेके आ सकते हैं. And another thing, if you want to actually normalize it, we all know the fossil fuel, we all know we are actually creating electricity through coal. वो renewable sources नहीं है. So rather than actually using them, why don't we shift to renewable sources? Okay, solar energy है, काफी सारे renewable sources है जिसे हमें create कर सकते हैं. So right now even government needs to look in कि जैसे lockdown वगैरह impact हो रहा है, ये जब उठेगा when lockdown would be normalized. So we need Indian government to actually have more focus on the energy, the renewable sources of energy, and we actually need to push those energy and industries so that they can revive again. Because due to lockdown, there have been a great impact, monetary purposes, capital purposes. So उन्हें revive करने के लिए government needs to like actually have something. They need committees to it, and फिर उसे renewable sources के again हम push करेंगे तो काफी ज्यादा इफेक्ट हो सकता है. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पेट्रोलियम वगैरह के, वी ऑल नो उसके रेट्स वगैरह कितने हैं. सो रादर देन दिस वी कैन एक्चुअली स्विच टू इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स, उसका एमिशन काफी कम है. सो दीज आर फ्यू स्मॉल स्टेप्स जो हमें खुद ही लेना पड़ेगा. And even government is trying the best, even if you know like electric vehicles and ये bikes पे भी काफी सारे like taxations वगैरह के छूट दिया है government ने, so that people can actually buy it. So that is a great thing which and I would really welcome that thing.
Oh, yes, so very true. So, as we all know, India is the land of festival. Many Indians celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with a great zeal and enthusiasm. So with its norm and it's supposed to immerse the idol into the river, followed by Diwali, where we have pollution into the metropolitan cities. So, what are your views on these, and anyhow, where we could even where celebration isn't hindered?
Okay, the thing is, if we're talking about this, river pollution, water pollution is a major issue we are facing right now. Okay, and as I said, 50 to 80% we actually get oxygen from it. So let's just talk about Ganesh Chaturthi. I have seen this, I have been into this, I have been a role play into this. Okay, so it is around 2 years back at Juhu Beach is the largest where Ganesh Chaturthi के idols को immerse करते थे when it is the last day या फिर उसका. So the thing is, पहली बात, we don't need to actually go to the river. Artificial ponds बना सकते हैं. लास्ट ईयर एक्चुअली एमएलएस वगैरह गवर्नमेंट ने भी काफी सारी सोसाइटीज ने दे एक्चुअली मेड आर्टिफिशियल पॉन्ड्स एंड उसके थ्रू हमने किया था. आपको आर्टिफिशियल पॉन्ड इज लाइक हम घर पे गणपति लेके आते हैं, गणेश भगवान को लेके आते हैं. There is a small statue. Okay, we actually take we don't take a bigger one. So what we can do is firstly let's not take the POP one. Basically eco-friendly use करना. This is the first step. Second step, rather than actually immersing it down over there, उसके जगह पे why don't you actually immerse it into artificial pond? You can take a bucket, okay, उसके अंदर आप immerse कर सकते हो, because it's like आपको पानी में ही विसर्जन करना है, तो वो कहीं पे भी हो. and basically जुहू बीच से तो आपके घर वाला पानी तो ज्यादा साफ है. You don't know what dirt is going into Juhu Beach or other rivers. So why are you like actually immersing it over there? Secondly, जब ये बात आता है तो गणेश आइडल के ऊपर लॉट ऑफ ऑर्नामेंट्स वगैरह, बीट्स है, फिर उनके माला वगैरह हो गया, वो हमें सेपरेट करना है, सेग्रीगेट करना है. एंड थिंग इज हमने एक बार विसर्जन कर लिया, उसके बाद हम देखते नहीं कि गणेश जी का कैसे हालत है, क्या होता है।
So, sir, the information which you provided was very insightful, and I appeal to the viewers if they could actually use artificial fonts to immerse their ideal on Ganesh Chaturthi and other festivals. So, sir, coming up with your bio, which stated that you are currently collaborated or joined Mission Green Mumbai and India for Oceans like organizations. So, could you please throw more light on these organizations? What is their basic aim and what are they working for?
Well, Mission Grown Mumbai is basically founded by Mr. Shubhajit Mukherjee. He's an idol to me and is a teacher-like person to me and a great friend of mine. So he was basically an HR at a multinational company. He actually came to know about this deforestation and things like that. तो उन्होंने वो HR का पोस्ट शूट किया. He actually shifted to environment thing कि हाँ मुझे कुछ करना है. He had it's like like-minded people joined together. फिर उन्होंने एक्चुअली में स्टार्ट किया जब जुहू बीच पे उन्हें प्लास्टिक्स वगैरह दिखा तो we actually started with cleanups and धीरे धीरे like-minded people came together. काफी अच्छा ग्रुप बन गया. Every Saturday Sunday we actually used to like go for the cleanups and cleanups वगैरह start किया and I joined in. Many other people joined in. And after that, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, he also got to know about it and he appreciated it. After that, वो limelight मिला हमें and then many other groups like Forward 69 and many other people, even companies joined us. And फिर beach cleanups वगैरह के लिए. After that, we shifted to revamp कि beach cleanup सब लोग ही कर रहे थे. Why not focus on another things? तो फिर हमने स्टार्ट किया revamp छोटा कश्मीर का. छोटा कश्मीर is situated in RA forest. किसी को भी नहीं पता रहेगा. Like it is basically having a Guinness Book of World Record too for a tree. वो काफी लंबा है and it is founded and this is like in India and the world also शायद Guinness Book of World Record में उसका नाम है Limca Book of Records में. So लोगों को पता नहीं था and वहाँ पे कैसा था कि वो पूरा devastated हो चुका था. There was no watchman to take care. Drug cases वगैरह भी आ रहे थे वहाँ पे. So what we did is every Saturday Sunday what we thought कि हम करेंगे. Various groups joined us. काफी trust वगैरह थे. शुभजीत मुखर्जी के सर के काफी लोग थे जान पहचान वाले इवन पीपल फ्रॉम कंपनीज उन्होंने हेल्प किया देन हमने स्टार्ट किया वो रिवैम्प करना इट टुक अस अराउंड 8 to 10 months वो रिवैम्प करने के लिए नाउ इट इज ग्रेट थिंग वहाँ पे जाओगे तो यू कैन फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लावर्स लॉट ऑफ ग्रीनरी हमने काफी सारे प्लांट्स वहाँ पे प्लांट किए हैं वी हैव अ वॉचमैन एंड उसका टिकट प्राइस भी इज मिनिमल 5 rupees बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है सो वो सब कुछ किया एंड नाउ इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग इट्स अ ग्रेट फैब एंड वापस लोगों का वो टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन बन गया लोग फिर से विजिट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया आफ्टर दिस उनको लाइमलाइट जब मिला एंड उसके बाद ही इज एक्चुअली एन एम्बेसडर राइट नाउ इन जल शक्ति अभियान इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जल शक्ति करके होता है एक डिपार्टमेंट उसके अंदर वो एम्बेसडर है उसके ही इज ऑल्सो वाटर हीरो उनको अवार्ड्स भी मिल चुका है जल शक्ति डिपार्टमेंट से and right now he has joined the hands with the government of Maharashtra. He is into Mazi Vasundhara. It is a part of government of Maharashtra and environment related. And after this जैसे लाइमलाइट वगैरह मिला तो महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा कंपनी है उन्होंने भी हमारे साथ टाइप किया है वी हैड दिस इको ब्रिक का चैलेंजेस वेयर आप प्लास्टिक बॉटल में जितने भी आप प्लास्टिक वगैरह यूज करते हो यू हैव टू एक्चुअली वो इमर्स करना उसके अंदर प्लास्टिक बॉटल में आपको कलेक्ट करना है एंड वो 1 kg 100 ml 500 ml का जितना कर सकते हो और वही जो प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स है एक तो आपका प्लास्टिक जो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े होते हैं ना वो सबसे ज्यादा क्रिएट करते हैं इश्यूज बड़े टुकड़े लाइक वो सेग्रीगेट हो जाते हैं बट छोटे जो पार्टिकल्स है ना वो सेग्रीगेट नहीं हो पाते वो पॉसिबल नहीं है तो वो बहुत ज्यादा इशू क्रिएट करते थे वो सब आपका इशू खत्म हो गया और वो प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स और प्लास्टिक है उससे व्हाट वी डिड इज हम लोग बेंचेस वगैरह बना सकते हैं उससे देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ यूसेज टू इट तो वो चैलेंजेस हमने लेके आया आफ्टर दैट ब्लॉगर्स लाइक साइमन सेज अभी एंड यू एंड मेनी अदर ब्लॉगर्स उन्होंने उनको भी पता चला एंड दे केम टू लाइमलाइट सोशल मीडिया का काफी सारा मिला हमारे पेजेस वेरीफाई हो चुके हैं वेरीफाइड पेजेस है तो उसके थ्रू भी so after that abhi like recently we had a lot of things coming up like हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ आता है like even covid time पे they were distributing food and supplements अभी we were actually distributing vitamin C का जो ये है tablets वो offices वगैरह में गवर्नमेंट के और जहाँ पे नहीं पहुंच रहा है वहाँ पे and right away we had this thing कि like we are planning to three like plant mango trees more than 3,60,000 plus plants. आदिवासी एरियाज एंड फॉरेस्ट वगैरह है जहाँ पे वो प्लांट कर सकते हैं। एंड हमने मिशन स्टार्ट किया है कि अच्छा जब आप मैंगोज खा रहे हो तो उसके अंदर का जो सीड है वो सर्कुलर, जिसे हमें गुठली बोलते हैं, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज उसे साफ करना है और जस्ट वॉश इट वाटर एंड उसको कलेक्ट करना है। ऐसा एल्फेंसो है तो एल्फेंसो, केसर है तो केसर, जो भी टाइप का मैंगो है, एंड व्हाट यू ऑल कैन डू इज वो कलेक्ट करके साइड में रख के when you have a number of this like 15 20 हो गया 10 हो गया 18 हो गया, you can actually send a courier शुभदीप सर के घर पे एंड इवन एट ऑफिस, एंड व्हाट वी वुड डू इज उसी से हम प्लांट करेंगे, वी वुड बी रीयूजिंग इट। so this is like a thing and it is valid till 1st July, we will be even accepting it after that, but it's like 1st July हमने एम रखा है, और उसके बाद we would be actually starting the plantation। and India for Ocean is a group of people. There are many people in that. What we aim is beach cleanups and river के बारे में information देना लोगों को, waste segregation and plastic ताकि pollute नहीं करे, because plastic is polluting a lot of rivers and वो हमें stop करना था। So after that, what we did is the people around them, they are high level people and they had good contacts with actors and actresses, and like it's like what we did is actors वगैरह को जब पता चला, Ravina Tandon and many other people, तो what they did is उन्होंने भी हमारे साथ ज्वाइन किया and वो काफी बड़ा इम्पैक्ट आया, and we had around 500 to 1,000 people, students जिन्होंने हमें ज्वाइन किया, and we actually had cleanups। I'll be sharing with you न्यूज आर्टिकल्स काफी सारे, but I have one a screenshot। So it's like काफी सारे bloggers, you all have heard about कि like there is this person, two people जो एक्चुअली जो शिनचैन वगैरह है उसके पीछे जो वॉइस डब करते हैं ना, those are people, उन्हें भी हमें बुलाया था, and there are a lot of people who actually came and who basically information provide करने के लिए like you don't need to pollute this, आपको pollute नहीं करना है, and that is like, so it is basically working for cleanups and things like that। it is basically water वाला part की water pollution नहीं करना, and Shubhajit Mukherjee sir is all rounder, वो हर एक फील्ड में ही है, there's nothing like that।
Yeah, that's a really great initiative, and India truly needs to clean up. So how can measures to young youth take control environment amidst the pandemic?
Well, basically that is not a big deal, not a rocket science कि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, it's like just small steps जो हमें follow up करना। The basic thing is कि what we need to do is, so yeah, there are a lot of small steps जो हम कर सकते हैं। First of all, segregation हो गया, dry and wet waste को segregate कर दो। Secondly, जितना हो सकता है प्लास्टिक कम यूज करो, if it's like necessity है प्लास्टिक यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो जो थिक वाला प्लास्टिक आता है ना, जो एक्चुअली रिसाइकलेबल होता है, वो प्लास्टिक यूज करो। जितना हो सकता है just don't use plastic, like there are many alternatives to it, okay, but the thing is if ऐसा है कि नहीं यूज करते तो प्लास्टिक जो थिक वाला reusable वाला वो सब करो, then काफी बाकी सब चीजें इट्स लाइक गो फॉर प्लांटेशन, काफी सारे प्लांट्स आप ग्रो कर सकते हो, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एनजीओस वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, उसके साथ ज्वाइन अप कर सकते हो। जूनियर रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी है, उसके अंदर आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, जो ये लाइक वेस्ट करते हैं, दे एक्चुअली लुक आफ्टर पीपल, दे एक्चुअली लुक आफ्टर पीपल जो ऑर्फनेजेस वगैरह है वहाँ पे वो लोग जाते हैं, एक्चुअली गो फॉर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, they even go for cleanups, they go for plantations। तो likewise काफी सारे हैं, even schools and colleges में भी काफी सारे faculties है जो actually ये सब में work करते हैं। You have NSS unit, you have NCC, वो सब भी ये सब करते हैं। So these are the smallest steps जो आप join कर सकते हो। You all can even join us, Mission Green Mumbai आप join कर सकते हो। Whenever we have this like plantation or cleanups, we actually post it, तो आप वहाँ पे आके ज्वाइनिंग कर सकते हो, हम आपको सर्टिफिकेट्स वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड कराएंगे। There's nothing like हम नहीं करेंगे, even like there are a lot of things and काफी सारे opportunities है जो आप कर सकते हो। So it all starts with your house, so that is the basic thing।
Great, sir, great. This was
and
very
most
knowledgeable.
important sorry for disturbing, and most important thing is let's use public transport more rather than going on bikes or scooters, y'all can even walk, y'all can even use public transport, and it's like public transport और connectivity काफी अच्छा है, and even it's like आप उसके जगह पे रिक्शास वगैरह भी यूज कर सकते हो, rather than going through your vehicle you can even use a rickshaw. That would be actually helping to boost our economy too, and वो प्रोड्यूस भी कम करेगा, बिकॉज एक तरह से रिक्शा चलने वाला ही है, उसकी जगह पे आप अपनी कार लेके जाओगे तो वो और आप एमिट कर रहे हो. These are the basic steps जो आप कर सकते हो.
Great, sir. Great. The information which you provided is really awesome, and I think viewers will get some knowledge through this video and will implement it in their life for the contribution and betterment of environment. So, before concluding, I would like to thank Mr. Shiv Karan Suthar for actually accepting our invite and providing such valuable information through this video. And viewers, if you found this video insightful, then please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more upcoming updates and insightful content. Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm hoping this too. And I guess this provide a great and a positive impact on the society too. And thank you so much for inviting and just letting me a chance कि हाँ I can actually give some things, and it's like मैं काफी बोल बच्चन टाइप का था. The thing is आपको उसके अंदर से जो आपको exact points लग रहा है वो सब आपको actually में conclude करना है. And secondly, right away everyone knows the importance. Okay, so it's like it's high time right now. We actually need to do things. Maybe youth, हमारे पेरेंट्स वगैरह को समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट दी यूथ नो दिस. इट्स लाइक उनको इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, बट हमें फ्यूचर में रहना है, हमें बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट करेगा. तो वी एक्चुअली नीड टू डू दिस. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट.